How to create account in Mimo app. Alright, let's jump straight into making your Mimo account. First things first, open up your Mimo app, which is over here. Tap on it. Now once you're inside, you will see two options over here. There's get started, and I already have an account. Since we are creating an account, simply tap on get started, which is the first option. Tap on it, then tap on let's go. Now it will ask a few questions for you. Simply answer them. It will help the app to know you better. The first question is, why are you learning to code? Let's keep it just for fun. Then you will see this type of interface where it will say you will fit right in, and there's other information too. Simply tap on continue. That leads to the another question, which is which one of this best describe you? I'm a university student, so let's tap on university student. Third question goes like, how much coding do you experience do you have? None. Simply tap on continue. The another question is, which aspect of coding captivates you? How the things work, logic, or I'm intrigued by the both? Tap on I'm intrigued with the both. Now, what do you find the most interesting? Games. Based on my answer, it has chosen the path for me, that is full stack developer, and on it we can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, as well as Node.js, Express, and SQL. And if you have any doubt, you will see other option too. For that, simple tap on see all the options. There's Python developer, career path, backend developer, and front-end developer, JavaScript, TypeScript, and many more. Let's choose the recommended one for now. Simply tap on it and tap on continue. Okay, so it's the data. Simply tap on continue now. Now it's asking how much time do you spend in learning. You can always change this goal. So this is the goal section. Let's keep it 5 minutes for a day. Simply tap on it. So it's creating a program. It's showing the progress. So first of all, we will start with the basics. Then we will create the first word projects and on to certificate. And now simply tap on continue. Start a coding habit. Set a daily reminder. Let's keep it 9:45 is fine. And let's keep it AM. Tap on OK. And yes, turn on. Because I do need a notification. Tap on allow. Where do you want to learn to code? Mostly in phone or a computer, or on a phone and computer. Maybe I will use both of them. So I tap on that. So Mimo is perfect for you. Let's tap on continue. So it's basic information. So now I have your Mimo account all set up and ready to go. You can start exploring the lessons and jump into the learning. And that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.